Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we have something special for all you gamers out there.
We're diving into the world of gaming controllers, and we've got our hands on the IFYOO PC Steam Game Controller, touted as the best Steam Games Mac controller available in the market.
But what makes this controller stand out from the rest? Stick around, and we'll tell you everything you need to know about this fantastic gaming accessory.
Let's kick things off with its key features. The IFYOO PC Steam Game Controller is a versatile beast.
It's compatible with a wide range of devices. Whether you're gaming on a PC with Windows the 7th of August 10 XP, a Mac, or even a PS3, this controller has got you covered. And it doesn't stop there. If you're an Android gamer, you're in luck.
This controller supports Android devices like mobile phones, tablets, TVs, and boxes, as long as they're running Android 4.0 or above and have OTG support.
If you have a Type-C or micro USB port, just grab an OTG adapter or cable, and you're good to go. One of the things we love about this controller is its plug-and-play functionality. You won't need to install any drivers, except for Windows XP. Just connect it, and you're ready to game. Now, here's where it gets interesting.
This controller offers multiple modes, including X input, DInput, Android, and PS3. You can switch between them effortlessly, giving you the flexibility you need for different games. And let's not forget the vibration feedback function, which adds an extra layer of immersion to your gaming experience. Plus, it has a JD/SWDH function and a turbo function for those times when you need rapid-fire action.
Now, with all these features, you might be wondering about the build quality. Well, the IFYOO PC Steam Game Controller doesn't disappoint.
The controller feels great in your hands, thanks to its ergonomic design.
The textured grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, even during those intense gaming sessions.
But here's an important note. This controller doesn't support Xbox 360, Xbox One, Mac OS, or PS4.
So, make sure to keep that in mind when considering your gaming setup.
In conclusion, the IFYOO PC Steam Game Controller is an excellent choice for gamers looking for a versatile, comfortable, and feature-packed controller. Its compatibility with various devices and modes, along with its tactile feedback and build quality, make it a top contender in the gaming accessory market.
If you're interested in upgrading your gaming experience, you can find this controller on Amazon. We've left a link in the video description below for your convenience.
That's it for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products.
Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy gaming.